Alright, here's how we can add a car key to our Apple Wallet. You want to go into the App Store first and search for an app called Pass to You. This is going to work as a middleman. You want to click on the app that looks like this and just install it. Once you have the app, we will click on Open. Now from within the app, we will select the plus orange button here at the bottom right and then apply a pass template. Now we will use the search bar to search for your specific car model. So I'm just going to do BMW and click on done. Now from this list, you should see some that are more applied than others. For example, here, if I scroll down, you can see this BMW NFC BMW digital key. If I click on it, then I can customize this to my needs. So for example, you will match it with your card. You can click on the the pencil icon here to type out the NFC number, and also BMW Philippines in this case, but you can change it to whatever. Now once you have filled out your information, you will click on done, and then you want to select add, and this is going to add it to your Apple Wallet. So if I go back into my Apple Wallet, as you can see, we have the BMW digital key here. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.